Here it is, guys. Okay guys, today is April 8th. Now it is finally time to show you guys how to finish removing your rear coilover, struts, whatever you might have. Got the car jacked up. Future videos right here. Some goodies right here for the Integra. But yeah, got the car jacked up. Let's go ahead and just remove the suspension and then I'll cut the video there. So to remove it, there's one bolt right here. Remember, these are the ITR rear lower control arms, or rear control arms I should say. So just remember that. And two bolts up here, and that is it. That's all it takes to remove this suspension. So I will get to it, remove this guy, 3 bolts, call it good, and then we can move on to the next parts. Well, next videos. But let's go ahead and take these off real quick. Alright, let's start with removing this bottom bolt. And we'll jump to the other side. Well, the top side. Okay guys, there it is. That's how you remove your rear coilovers or rear struts. It's gonna be the same way. The 2 top bolts were 17 millimeter. The bottom was a 14 millimeter, but one step closer. One step closer. The Integra will soon be back. By the time you guys see this, this car is already gonna be ripping, but there it is, guys. So I hope that helps you guys. I'm not going to make this video of what shops charge. You guys should already know or have gotten quotes. This is how easy it is. Nothing against shops, I get it. It's their livelihood as well, and I respect you guys. But very simple, guys. Do it yourself. Get the tools, do it yourself, save money to your pocket. Like, subscribe, share. Next video we'll be installing the ASR parts. A-Spec Racing, guys. That's what this is. So next video we'll be installing these guys.